Hello my friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be working on the backyard for summer. Finally, we have a couple of nice days coming up here, so we thought we would start putting out our furniture for the backyard so we can start enjoying it. Last year we did have a table and chairs and I ended up selling them. We haven't been using it very much and they were getting a little old. And then this year we also purchased some new chairs and a table, small side table for the backyard. We do have a rug which I want to replace at some point. I just haven't found one I liked. So right now we're just in the shed and we're going to start bringing out these new chairs which we purchased this year from Costco and we love them. These chairs are actually reclining chairs and they are so comfortable. I do put out the cushions here very shortly. But if you watched my front porch video, and I will leave a link to it so you can go get caught up there, the chairs we used to use in this backyard, we actually moved to the front and we love them up there. They suit the space and it just freed up this area for an upgrade. Now here's the carpet we're going to put out. It's pretty darn old and not in the greatest condition, but we're going to use it for now. The other thing we did purchase for this backyard, and we actually bought it in the fall at the end of the summer season last year from Home Depot, and it was a new umbrella, and boy did we luck into a deal on that. We were actually at Home Depot for another reason. We were looking at some of their patio furniture that was still there and on sale, and we found a 10-foot umbrella with LED lights in it, and it was on for half price, and we just jumped at the chance because our other old umbrella was really faded and we were going to get rid of it anyways. So we ended up purchasing that, and you will see that coming up soon. But I do want to thank you so much if you've watched my latest porch decorating videos and gardening videos. I just want to thank you so much for watching those and for all the love that you've shown on them. And here's a look at the umbrella. It's this red color, so now you know why I put the red flowers at the back. And it's a solar LED umbrella, and it tilts and it has all these cool things, so we are thrilled with it. I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to Two Pages Curtains for partnering with me on today's video. Last year, I had the absolute privilege of working with them when I did a refresh in my living room. I had purchased some new furniture, but I still had up old curtains and something still felt off in the room. So when they reached out offering to send me some new curtains for my living room, I jumped at the chance. I had seen them through other videos and on social media, and I just loved what they did. So I worked with them and I received my new curtains for my living room, and I feel like they just brought the room together. They were the crowning jewel, so to speak, on the room. So when they reached out again this year to see if I would be interested in partnering once again, I jumped at the chance and I knew exactly the window I wanted to work on. And that happened to be my back patio door window, which is off my kitchen, but is on the same wall as my living room curtains. So even though I have draperies up there right now, they are fine, they look okay. I just knew that I wanted to take the room and that window to the next level. So with Two Pages Curtains, I was able to do that. The one thing I really loved when I was choosing curtains for this window was the fact that I was going to be able to give this window its own personality. So although the curtains here are fine now, I knew that with the patio doors on the same wall as my living room curtains, they needed some upgrading. Plus, it was a perfect opportunity to raise that curtain rod to the same level as the living room ones. That would give it a more cohesive look. But instead of having them match exactly, I decided to go with a different fabric here to keep the spaces feeling collected, layered, and allow these curtains to complement the living room rather than them looking too matchy-matchy. This is honestly one of the things I truly appreciate most about Two Pages Curtains. Everything is customizable to your own home and your own decorating style. Two Pages offers custom draperies, blinds, motor-powered shades, hardware that you may need to install your curtains, and they also offer a variety of home decor items. There are so many premium fabrics, colors, lining options from unlined up to room darkening, and various header styles to choose from. So you can really create something that feels so personal to your space rather than that one size fits all. And still unsure about a fabric or a color choice, you can also order fabric swatches, which makes the whole process so much easier. And if you're still having that little bit of trouble deciding what to get, they offer design consulting as well. All the drapes come beautifully packaged, labeled, and the curtain hooks included. For my patio doors, I chose their Stefana fabric with a French pleat header style, which is very similar to the living room curtains. And I also chose to have them with a cotton lining, which will still let in lots of beautiful natural light when they're closed, but it softly filters some of that strong summer sun during the hotter months. And I love how soft and elegant they look in the kitchen. They add just enough texture and warmth without feeling heavy. And I love that they complement and not match my living room curtains. I also decided to include some tie backs so that during the months when we are going in and out of that patio door, I can pull the curtain back and they won't get dirty or ruined. I am loving the way these curtains frame this window now and the way they complement the living room. Being able to customize the length certainly allowed me to raise up that curtain rod, which I've wanted to do for a long time. So now everything just flows so beautifully. So thank you once again to Two Pages Curtains for partnering with me today. I absolutely love the curtains. Be sure to go check them out on their website. I will leave a link to their website below in the description box, and you can go check them out for yourselves. You will certainly not be disappointed. Now this is a couple of days later. On the first day, we just put out the chairs and the table, but then we had a pleasant little interruption called a little one-year-old granddaughter who was coming for a sleepover. So we stopped all activity and of course turned our attention to her, which was an absolutely sheer delight. Then we had a couple of days of rain. So truth be told, this is a few days later where we finally get to finish up this backyard. I am still hoping to get to this deck very soon and fix it up for the summer, but I need a couple of days where there's no rain in the forecast. And I don't know about you guys, but that's just not happening in our area. The weather keeps saying rain coming, and so I don't want to risk it, but I will get to this eventually. Probably not the best day to be using the leaf blower because as I'm blowing it, there's quite a wind here and it's just blowing it right back at me. So we'll do what we can, but it's not perfect. Now was the exciting part, and that was getting to finally put out our new umbrella. I have waited since last fall to put this thing out, but I'm a little bit vertically challenged, and this thing, I guess because of the LED lights in it, is really heavy, and truth be told, I just couldn't lift it up high enough to get it in, so had to call on the big guns to come help me out here. But if you follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen a quick view of how the patio came together back here. I'll leave a link to my channel over on Instagram, and I'd love for you to stop by and say hi. We actually have not seen the lights and how they work on this umbrella yet because we have had to take it down again because of winds and rain. So we are looking forward to the time when we have continual sunshine and it gets those LED lights going and we can see what they look like in the evening. Now I'm just going to put all the cushions back on and get this all set up and give you one final look at how the backyard came together. We love it. We've been sitting out here every day that we possibly can. These chairs are so comfortable and we just love it out here. It's just such a nice refresh for our backyard. And my husband did remind me that we have our garden lights that we needed to put out. So that's all I'm going to do here, but you'll see him come in and tap them in, as he put it, correctly. But he's going to come through and make sure they're into the ground correctly, and then we'll just put the lights on top. But that should do it for this backyard makeover. We love it. It's so comfy and it's so pretty and peaceful sitting out here. We are truly lucky with our backyard in this area. It's spacious and private all at the same time. So I want to thank you again for spending some time with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up and like and share with whoever you else think might enjoy this. And don't forget to check out the link to 2 Pages Curtains. I will be sure to leave that link down in the description box below. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye!